Hey everybody, welcome back to Hadrian's Forge for another lecture. You know I'm Scott, so let's go ahead and get started on the intro. Today we're going to be making some dwarf poles. I know, not really exciting, but we're going to walk through this. The first thing I had to do, was come up with an idea. I saw it, so it's not really, so I just had to recreate it. It's got 1/4 inch radiuses, 4 inches, 2 inches, and it's going to end up being a total of 9 inches of metal. And it's going to have 2 screw holes that are exactly 5 inches apart up the middle. So let's go ahead and head out and make the first step, and let's see what happens. Because I've never done this before. And remember, you know you've got to tell me about it in the comments. So while you're down there, hit the like button. Let's go on. Now that we've got our steel selected and marked up to cut, let's go ahead and cut it. Now here, this one, obviously, by the plans we talked about on board, it has an interior radius, so I made this jig for it. And basically, I'll line the bend notch up with the center here, and then bend it over, and I should have a nice 90-degree with this 1/4 inch radius inside. Cross your fingers, hope it all goes right. Well, here we are wrapping things up. Here is the pole. There are two of them, and they're actually matching. So, and that's basically it. A little preparation, and you can speed through it. The preparation for this one was going to Home Depot, getting the drill bit and the tap, and doing it. And as you saw it, it went together real easy, almost exactly like it was supposed to. Anyway, I'm not sure what next episode is going to be, but you want that reminder for it. So hit that subscribe and notify button, and I'll see you next time. And remember, you're wonderful people.